Hi, so I decided for this assignment to do frogs because I think frogs are very cool and cute. And so the images I selected off of Flickr were three different frogs. So this is the first frog. I selected him because he was doing an action and I thought he was really cool. And well, I'm just very easily pleased by frogs. The next frog I picked was looked like he's kind of laughing and he's like that perfect green color that people associate with frogs, that lime green. So I thought he was very appealing and distinctly different enough from the first frog to give people different opinions and views on frogs, which is the focus of the website. And then the last frog I picked, he's also green, but he's a tree frog, and you can tell by the difference of his toes, or his, as I call them. There's probably a better word for it. But you can see how elongated they are versus the other frog, who's also has elongated toes, but they're not as distinct and toe-like. And the first frog either, all frogs are different, but these three frogs felt distinctly different enough to use for the website to give people an idea of what frogs can look like, but also appealing, so to give people the opinions and also remind them that, like all animals in nature, frogs are very cute. So that's why and what I chose for my images. I hope you appreciate frogs a little more after viewing this website. Okay.